Do you struggle with structuring the content of your videos? Do your videos convert viewers into subscribers? In this video, you'll discover how to write a script for a short video on YouTube that converts viewers into subscribers on your YouTube channel and for your email list. My name is Herman Drost from DrostDesigns.com. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So why should you write a script for your YouTube video? Number one, stay organized. When you write a script for your video, it helps you to stay on track. So instead of waffling on about something, you can just follow the points that you've written down in your script. Number two, communicate clearly. When you have structured content in your video, it's easy to follow and you can communicate your message clearly to your viewers. Number three, you can't remember everything you want to say. This is especially true if you have a lot of content to share but can't remember everything you want to say. Number four, batch record several videos at once. If you've written out several scripts in advance, then you can batch record multiple videos in one day. You can even take those scripts out to a different location and record your videos at that location. Number five, use it as a template for future videos. If you create a video script template, you can use that same format for future videos. Number six, repurpose your video script. For example, you can use it in your video description, as a blog post, for your social media sites, for an email post. You can even convert your script to a PDF file and upload it to document sharing sites. Here are the steps to create a script for a short video. Number one, hook your viewers. You want to be able to grab the attention of your viewers in the first 10 seconds of your video. The way to do this is by asking a question that addresses the problem of your viewers. For example, at the beginning of this video, I asked a question, do you struggle with structuring the content of your videos? Another idea is to state right away what the video is about and the benefits to the viewer. For example, at the beginning of this video, I said, you'll discover how to write a script for a short video that will convert viewers into subscribers for your channel or for your email list. Another way to start your video is to do something entertaining that grabs the attention of your viewers right away. You can also tease viewers by telling them what to expect by watching the whole video. For example, you could say something like, stay tuned to the end of the video to get my case study or my free cheat sheet. Number two, intro. This is where you introduce yourself and say something about your channel. I also ask people to subscribe and give them a reason why they should subscribe. For example, I say something like, if you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button. Your intro could also include a video bumper such as a logo or a motion graphic. This helps people to recognize your branding. Number three, main content. This is where you expand upon the content that you promised in the beginning of the video. If you have a lot to say, break it up into different sections containing bullet points. This will help you to stay on track with your content. Include B-roll to reset the attention of your viewers. You might also want to change positions. Another way to keep the attention of your viewers is to link to a video or playlist using cards. Encourage engagement by asking a question. So let me ask you an important question. When you record a video, do you usually just wing it, write a script, or follow a set of bullet points? Post your answer in the comments below. Number four, call to action. After you've presented your content, you don't want to leave your viewers hanging, so you want to tell them what you want them to do. You can ask them to watch the next video, subscribe to your channel, or download a free report. Just keep in mind you don't want to give too many options, otherwise they won't take action on any of them. Use the end screen templates that YouTube provides or create one of your own to give you call to actions. Here are some important things to keep in mind. Number one, don't settle for one type of script. Experiment with different script templates so you can see which one works best. Number two, don't always send people off YouTube. YouTube wants to keep people on their platform as long as possible. So if you're trying to get people to opt into your email list, create a series of videos on a similar topic. 3 of those videos can be redirected to another video or a playlist, and then the 4th one can be to your email list. This could be where you offer a free cheat sheet or a free report in exchange for the email address. Number 3, don't read from your script. If you read directly from a script or even read a teleprompter, it's very hard to connect with your audience. Instead, memorize a few lines first, then convey your content as if you're speaking with someone across from you over a cup of coffee. Number 4, study competitors. Study other creators in your niche that have a great presentation style and incorporate some of their elements into your own style. Another idea is to study different actors and try to incorporate those elements into your video. If you follow these steps to write a script for your next video, you'll create compelling, powerful videos that will engage your audience. So how do you come up with content ideas for your next video? No worries, just click the link in the card to find out how you can come up with content ideas for future videos. If you want to generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, click the subscribe button below and check out the other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.